Gervonta Davis, known as Tank, is facing a tumultuous period in his career, marked by legal battles and a controversial performance in the ring. The aftermath of his recent fight against Lamont Roach Jr. has led to a lawsuit that could potentially sideline him for 28 months, casting a shadow over his future in boxing. Adding to his woes, his longtime trainer, Calvin Ford, is no longer part of his team, leaving many to question the direction of his career. The lawsuit filed by Roach team alleges that Davis' own words during the fight, "You ain't going to win, they ain't going to give it to you," were an admission that the fight was rigged. They argue that the outcome was predetermined, and the fight was not conducted fairly. If the court rules in Roach's favor, Davis could face a significant suspension, effectively halting his career for over 2 years. This legal storm comes at an inopportune time for Davis, who has a history of legal troubles. His recent probation violation, stemming from leaving Florida without permission, has further complicated matters. Although the judge decided against sending him back to jail, she extended his probation and imposed a fine, underscoring the seriousness of his actions. Adding to the complexity of the situation is the absence of Calvin Ford, who has been a guiding force in Davis' career since he was a child. Ford's departure has raised questions about the stability of Davis' team and the impact it may have on his performance. Ford himself has spoken out, emphasizing the importance of having the right people around Davis to navigate the challenges of the boxing world. Ford's comments highlight the role that Floyd Mayweather played in Davis' career, providing guidance and support both inside and outside the ring. With Mayweather no longer in the picture, Davis is now trying to do things his own way, a decision that Ford believes may be a mistake. The legal system, Ford points out, is indifferent to Davis' accomplishments in the ring and will hold him accountable for his actions. The Roach fight, which ended in a controversial draw, has further fueled the scrutiny surrounding Davis' career. Questions have been raised about whether Davis was truly at his best that night, or if there were other factors at play. The absence of Ford in his corner has been cited as a potential reason for Davis' lackluster performance. The boxing world is now watching closely to see what Davis will do next. A rematch with Roach is one option, but it may not be the most appealing one, given the potential risks and limited rewards. Other potential opponents include Vasily Lomachenko and Shakur Stevenson, but these fights come with their own set of challenges. Lomachenko, a Ukrainian legend, would be a formidable opponent, but a loss to him could be devastating for Davis' career. Stevenson, on the other hand, is a highly skilled fighter with a style that could pose problems for Davis. Moreover, a fight against Stevenson is complicated by Davis' reluctance to work with Toki Alalshik, who has ties to Stevenson. Ultimately, Davis' success hinges on his ability to make the right decisions, both inside and outside the ring. He needs to resolve his legal issues, surround himself with the right people, and prove that he still belongs at the top of the sport. The road ahead will be challenging, but Davis has the talent and the potential to overcome these obstacles and reclaim his place as one of boxing's biggest stars.